Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given that the gradient of line AB is 3, okay? And we are also given the coordinates of A and B, though one of the coordinate, the x coordinate of B is actually given as a variable k, which we would then have to find, okay? So the very first thing for Mr. Tan here is actually to color code it and also to let me explicitly return it down as x1, y1, x2, y2, so that when I apply the formula at the right hand side, I would be applying it correctly. So applying that, now that we know that the gradient of AB is equals to 3, I'm going to just apply the formula for gradient of AB. Okay, so y1 negative 3 minus my y2 9 over x1 is 2. Usually I like to put bracket so that will prevent careless mistake, minus negative k, this is equals to 3, and we are just required to solve this now. Negative 3 minus 9, this will give me a value of negative 12. Two minus a negative k, 2 positive k equals to 3. Alright. And after which, I'm going to multiply both sides by 2 plus k, so that this will be the next line that you will see. Negative 12 is equals to 3 times 2 plus k. And that will eliminate all the denominator of this equation. So let's continue to solve this equation. I'm going to multiply, expand and simplify this part here. I still have my negative 12. So this will be equals to 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times k is 3k. And I'm going to minus 6 on both sides, so that you will see this particular step. Next, okay, let me just choose a black color. So I'm going to minus 6 on both sides, so that I will have negative 12 minus 6. 6 minus 6 will be equals to 0, so don't need to consider further, and I'm still left with my positive 3k there. So continue to simplify. Negative 12 minus 6 will be negative 18 equals to 3k. So the next step would then for me to divide by 3 on both sides, so that the final answer k will be equals to negative 6. With that, we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.